Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to be making a gift with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So now, as you can see here, I DIY'd these two vases that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I connected them both with some cement liquid glue that you can find in the auto section of the Dollar Tree. Then I embellished with some of their pearl wrap, but I also embellished with some Beebeecraft items. Now I purchased two of the candles from the Dollar Tree just to make it easy on myself, and then very low with some water simmering, I melted the candles, pulled out the wax, and what we're doing is we're saving the wick and we're gluing the metal part to the bottom of the vase. Then we're going to wrap that wick around anything round. I just happen to use a paintbrush. And then we're going to start pouring in the candle carefully because we don't want that to splatter around. Now that I'm looking at the candle, I probably should have used white, but I absolutely love this beautiful color green that you can find there also. They have tons of colors in the candles, but I melted two and it was just the right amount to fill this little fishbowl. Remember, the two vases that I glued together before I embellished. This would make an absolutely awesome gift. Now remember, we have to leave this alone until that candle solidifies all over again. So I forgot about it for a couple of hours, guys. Now this is what it looks like when it's done. We're going to go ahead and cut the excess wick off very carefully and then light the candle. Remember, this makes a beautiful gift and you can embellish with whatever items that you would like. But I absolutely love the way this is looking. Wouldn't this be beautiful in the center of a table? Yes. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Yes, I am loving it. Look at that. I'm telling you, this is a great gift idea. Let's head on over to the reveal. hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.